This exam application tutorial is on the topic of combustion of fuels. The question for 6 marks: explain how sulfur in fossil fuels can lead to environmental damage and how this damage can be reduced. So what this is asking you to do is explain how sulfur in fossil fuels can cause acid rain. Then you have to describe the damage this pollutant, acid rain, causes. And then finally describe some solutions to the problems listed. So that's how it can be reduced, the damage can be reduced. So firstly, you have to acknowledge that certain fossil fuels like coal and oil can contain sulfur for 1 mark. When sulfur is burnt, sulfur dioxide is produced. Now, sulfur dioxide is an acidic gas, and when it reacts with water vapor in our atmosphere, it produces acid rain. So this is the pollutant that's going to cause the problem. So what are the problems linked to acid rain? Well, acid rain can kill plants and sea life and cause damage to limestone buildings. So how do we solve these problems? So as we can see, acid rain has many effects, and there are ways to reduce its impact. We can place scrubbers in power station chimneys to neutralize acidic gases. Scrubbers are devices which have either limestone, some sort of calcium carbonate derivative, a base basically, which will neutralize acidic gases as they pass through. We can use calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide to neutralize acidic soils. We can also try to remove the sulfur present in fuels before they are burnt. That would get you 6 marks. You could also reference the use of catalytic converters in cars to clean up exhaust fumes.